In this video, I will show you how to download and install IBM SPSS statistics on your PC or laptop. First of all, you need to go to Google and write this simple keyword in the Google search IBM SPSS statistics and open the first result. After that, you need to click on Start Free Trial. This will redirect you to this page where you need to create an account. And after you will create an account and sign into your account, then you need to click your profile in the top right corner and go to My IBM. There you will see this IBM SPSS Statistics subscription trial, which expires in about 2 weeks, so I can download it and use this free trial. So here will be the download button. You need to click on download, and when you scroll down, you need to choose you want to download for Windows or Mac OS. So I will download for Windows. Click on the download button and download it into your computer. After you will download it, you need to click on the installation file. Click yes. Wait a few seconds. Then click on next. Accept the terms and conditions. You can read them. Then click next. Choose the location where you want to install the SPSS statistics. Click on next and click the install button. Now we need to wait from a few seconds to a few minutes. Finally, you can click on finish and it will automatically open the IBM SPS statistics. You need to log into your IBM account. You need to click on login. It will redirect you to the browser where you need to allow it. Then click open IBM in the top and wait until it finishes the authentication. And that's all, guys. As you can see, we have got 14 days free trial and you can start using the IBM SPSS statistics. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.